Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to event enable our SAP Cloud application. And to do that, I'm going to use a new player onboarding scenario. So we need to onboard all our new players into our favorite HCM system, which is SAP SuccessFactors. Now, it would be really cool that as soon as I onboard a new member, I could automatically trigger some processes which could inform my other cloud applications that a new employee has been hired. So let me show you how we can easily do that. So I'm in my SAP BTP global account system landscape, and I already have SAP SuccessFactors tenant. I have SAP Build Process Automation. I have a SAP BTP application. In this case, it is a custom application, a custom CAP application, which can receive SAP SuccessFactors events. And I also have SAP Cloud Application Event Hub, which is an event broker within BTP that we can leverage to seamlessly configure the flow of events. Now to do so, I'll start with creating a formation of type eventing between SAP Cloud systems. And all I need to do is that I need to add a new system which I want to receive events in. So let's go ahead and do that. So now while it's processing, what's happening under the hood is that all the systems in my formation are automatically establishing connection with SAP Cloud Application Event Hub so that they're ready to exchange the events. Now, if I need to receive an event from a different system, then I need to define an integration dependency. So I'm in my CAP service instance, and let's go ahead and define one new. So let's call it as SAP SuccessFactors new hire. And my source system namespace is SAP.sf. And the events that I'm interested in receiving are the following. So with this, I have created my integration dependency. And all I need to do next is to enable the subscription. To do that, let me show you how. So we need to go to SAP Cloud Application Event Hub UI, and there I can see all my subscription. And just by enabling this toggle button, my subscription is enabled. And just like that, my broker knows that if it receives any of the events from the SuccessFactors, which we just described, it will immediately send them to our SAP BTP CAP application. So now let's go to SAP SuccessFactors, and then we try to add a new hire to onboarding. So let's provide some details. The first name, Oscar, and the last name as Benji. And let's provide an email address. So oscar.benji@sap.com. We need to give a hiring date, so it should be as soon as possible, so today's date. And I want to hire this player from the US region. I already know that the hiring manager is Bluebeard. Yeah. And I give the reason as new hire. And let me initiate onboarding. So in a few seconds, all my systems where I have enabled subscriptions will be receiving this event. So if you remember, we enabled a CAP application to receive this event. So let's check whether we already received this event. And yes, we have successfully received the event from SAP SuccessFactors in our CAP application. Let's also go to SAP Build Process Automation, which was also one of the subscriptions, and let's check. And yes, we have received the event here as well. So just like that, we have easily configured the exchange of events between the SAP Cloud applications. In this case, SAP SuccessFactors, SAP Cloud Application Event Hub, and a custom BTP application. Do remember that we can easily forward these events also to other SAP BTP services like SAP Integration Suite and Advanced Event Mesh, thereby making it available in our larger event-driven architecture and landscape.